Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. Hopefully you guys having a great day out there wherever you guys are. Wow, yeah, July 4th is almost over for my friends in America. Guys, Monday is shaping up to be a pretty good day here in Vietnam. It's hot. Everything is going great, guys. So guys, hopefully you guys are being blessed and just having a fantastic day. Woo! This OG in the house, guys. Before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to John Higgins, one of my latest and greatest new members. Woo! Welcome to the family, John. I appreciate it, and thank you for your support. I just want to thank all my subscribers for your support, all my moderators and my live streams. Thanks for your support. Thank you for keeping all the chats clean and just keeping everything civilized, guys. I appreciate it. Guys, we got lots to talk about today. You know, U.S. Crypto crackdown. Seems like it could be coming, guys, because you know there's a lot of stories coming out about regulation, this and that. So we're going to jump into that. And before we do that, just remember that none of this is financial advice, guys. It's just me expressing my opinion. Woo! And remember, you got to do your own risk management, guys. That's really important that you do your own risk management whenever you're buying or selling something, particularly buying. You know, check out the coin that you're going to be buying. Look at the tokenomics, look at who's behind the project, and ask yourself how long has the project has been around. I mean, I never invest in anything that's younger than 2 years. That way I avoid any kind of rug pulls or vaporware, you know, because this happens, you know, this happens. And also, guys, watch out for nasty scammers in the comments. You know, they're using bots to, you know, send automated messages. They look like me. They use my logo and they ask you to contact them on WhatsApp. I'm never going to do that, guys. So let's dive into some of the news. Before we do that, let's take a look at the Crypto Daily Trade Signals portfolio. This is a portfolio that we made online together as a community. And guys, our portfolio is still up. It's pretty good, you know, even though we're seeing that we're turning into a red day. And most markets are starting to move down and most cryptos are moving down. We're still up, so you can see that up there on the left. So congratulations to you guys that decided to copy that. And remember that portfolio is for educational purposes only. You can go back and watch the live stream and how we did it and how we made it and what cryptos that we chose, guys. So it's a really good tool. It's a good educational tool, and it's a good benchmark to see if we're going to have success or failure in this market, guys. So, you know, we have seen in the last week that there's been a ton of crypto-related FUD, guys. You know that, and a lot of that FUD is circling around regulation, government regulations. You know, we've seen criminal charges in Thailand against Binance. We saw Cayman Islands cracking down on Binance and other exchanges. We saw the Philippine Stock Exchange release a statement yesterday that they want to have most of cryptocurrency traded in the Philippines controlled by them. And, you know, it sounded like a good article, but in fact, they just want to build into regulation. We've had Japan also crack down on crypto. We've seen, you know, about China. China's been doing that for a long time, guys. And now we're starting to see a lot of stuff happening in the U.S. related to regulations, regulation discussions and discussions around crypto, around you know, AML, anti-money laundering laws and crypto and this and that. So, you know, we're going through the next phase and cycle is the regulatory FUD cycle, because basically the Fed wants to jump on the bandwagon, and we got a pretty influential congressman from California who's being paid by banks to basically talk trash about crypto, and you can watch the video on that. Go back to my YouTube channel and check that out, guys. So, you know, so what's the big news? What's next? And, you know, the U.S. Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, basically they're saying that, you know, the misuse of cryptocurrencies is a national priority right now, and that they need to do further investigation. And, you know, we've got some comments from the Treasury Secretary. The Treasury Secretary considers it a national priority to stop the misuse of virtual assets and that are used for money laundering fraud, and this includes ransomware and ransomware related attacks. And you know, we recently had that ransomware on the oil pipeline that basically caused a pipeline to be shut, and then we had the FBI saying that they had recovered most of the Bitcoin, blah blah blah, and that they had cracked the 24 phrase seed of the Bitcoin wallet. And you know, that was fun. They didn't do that. That didn't happen, guys. So you're seeing that you know, the U.S. regulators now, they're looking at cryptocurrency as being bad and this and that, and they're using this recent ransomware attack as kind of like the catalyst to say, look, we need to have a deeper dive discussion. We need to look at possible regulations, blah blah blah. And there was a recent appeal in the Capitol in the U.S. that one senator, he wanted to basically create a law that would allow that if there was any criminal activity, that they could have a subpoena issued and they could go back and find out who you are and perhaps get a warrant that would allow the reversal of any Bitcoin crypto transactions. So that's not looking good if that actually happens. I don't think it's going to happen. It's going to be really difficult to do that. As you know, blockchain technology is anonymous, decentralized. That's going to be really difficult to enforce, guys. So, you know, how possible is it going to be to actually regulate this stuff, and how are they going to regulate it? I mean, the only way they're going to be able to do that is go to exchanges that have taken your KYC and backtrack on that and go after you that way. So that's the only way I see that kind of happening, guys. So you guys just keep an eye. I think this week we're going to see a lot of FUD related to regulations, so that could scare a lot of retail investors like you and me. So guys, diamond hands, of course, you got to have diamond hands. Don't panic, guys. It's really important that you guys don't panic. Woo! Okay, so one other story that came out is that the Fed basically they seized they seized $19 million worth of Bitcoin in 2018, and they just basically sold it today. They announced that they're selling it, and they sold it for $19 billion. And they didn't sell it at a discount, guys. They sold it at a full market value. So yeah, they're making some money off seized Bitcoin that they seized in 2018. So guys, yeah, there we go. So right now, if we look at Dogecoin is down right now. It's down almost 2%, and it's gone down to 24 cents, and it has failed to move past the 50-day moving average. I talked about that earlier, how important it is that Doge needs to get up past the 50-day moving average. If it doesn't do that, then we have a possibility of a collapse. And we're seeing that, you know, we've gone down 2% today already, and we've also gone down below my 24.2 support line that you can see on the chart there, and it's dropping below my purple rain. So we're dropping below our purple rain, my purple trend line, and that's not good, guys. So if this continues, we could definitely see 20 cents coming in. Worst case scenario, we could be dropping down to 18 cents. So guys, buckle up, be prepared for some downward pressure as Bitcoin starts to lose some of its steam, guys. So I think there's going to be a big FUD cycle, regulatory FUD cycle coming out this week. So just hold on to your hats. This could get dirty. It could get nasty. So guys, this is just part of the Wyckoff pattern playing out, I think, because it calls for a little bit of a correction before we have our upside on phase E, guys. So I'm not going to talk too much about Wyckoff. I think you guys have heard Wyckoff up to the yin yang. So let's jump into the markets right now and see how we're faring. So right now the total market cap is 1.44 trillion, and that's down, guys. The volume right now is 758 billion. That's up 9.2%, and that's to be expected because the weekend is over, guys. So right now Bitcoin is down 1.43%, and that's at $34,216 at time of recording, and Ethereum is still up 1.81%, but I'm pretty sure that Ethereum is going to turn red in the next 4 to 6 hours, and that's probably, and Ethereum is trading at 2,259, guys. Get your numbers right, Daryl. BNB is basically plus 0.5% at 298. That's going to turn red pretty soon, I'm sure. ADA is at $1.42, and that's up 0.12%. That's probably going to go red. Doge right now is down, as I said, almost 2%, and we're trading at $24, guys. So once again, guys, don't panic. This is just a cycle that we're going through. It's a normal cycle, guys. So once again, guys, if you like this channel, please smash the like for the OG in the house. Guys, I really need you to take the video link, paste it in your socials, get the message out, guys. We really need to do that, guys. It's important to get the views up, guys. Once again, subscribe as always. Those of you that are watching my channel and have not subscribed, please take the time and courtesy to subscribe. I really appreciate that. Guys, check out the links below, please. We've got merch. Check out my merch. We got Weak Nancy t-shirts that have just come up. Really nice, beautiful stuff. buy the channel a coffee. All proceeds go to charity. And check out the free charting tool. I think Bybit has still got that $50 offer. Sign up and you could receive $50 on Nano Ledger wallet, guys. So once again, guys, be blessed. I love you guys to death. Peace out. Peace out. Hug your wife. Hug your kids. Be safe. Get ready for a glorious week next week. Be prepared. There's going to be a lot of regulatory FUD. That is for sure. Mark my words. And today, I think I think that we're going to be going down more. There's going to be more red coming, guys. If Dogecoin doesn't get past my 50-day moving average and back up past 25 cents, we could be in trouble, guys, going back down to 18 cents. So, it's a good time to buy on the dip, dollar cost average in, and you guys should be fine. So, woohoo, Dogecoin to the moon, guys. I love you guys. Please smash that likes, share, and don't forget to hashtag Doge spreading love, guys. Get it out there, Doge spreading love. We're, my Doge tribe, my Doge community. It's not only about cryptocurrency, it's also about spreading love, guys. So do good every day, guys. I love you guys to death. Woohoo, take care. Bye-bye now.